It's a great pleasure to be here in Uganda, the Pearl of Africa, which I also consider to be a home. Your Excellency, you talked about His Excellency President Museveni and his fondness to Tanzania. And it is also in record, and probably many people have forgotten, that our first president, Mwalimu Julius Nyerere, went to school at Makerere. And if that is not enough, our second president, His Excellency Al-Hassan Mwinyi, also went to school in Makerere. Okay, if that is not enough, our third president, the late Benjamin Mkapa, also went to school at Makerere. So Uganda holds a special place in our heart in Tanzania. And thank you so much for really receiving me, for both of you to come and receive our delegation. We really appreciate your hospitality. And we thank Bidco management and Wilma in general for the opportunity to organize this gathering and giving us an opportunity also to learn from you. We came to learn from friends, from your experience. There is a story which I'm not sure whether it's true, that the origin of palm trees was in Kigoma in Tanzania. Now I'm not sure about that, but Kigoma is famous in Tanzania for palm trees. And yet, we haven't developed the industry sufficiently for us to meet our need for edible oil. In Tanzania, we import more than 50% of our edible oil needs, mostly palm oil, mostly from Malaysia and Indonesia. And yet, you can see huge potential in Tanzania, especially in Kigoma, for cultivating palm trees and developing palm oil industry in the country. So we discussed with our friends, Wilma, whose presence in Tanzania we are feeling and we are very happy about. And they actually suggested that we should come and see the organization that you have here in Uganda, try to pick a leaf and see how we can move forward. And that's why we also came with the Regional Commissioner for Kigoma. We also came with the Director of Crop Development from the Ministry of Agriculture in Tanzania, and the other team, and some of them from Research Institute in Tanzania, Agricultural Research Institute, are already here. I think they're already on the field trying to learn what is going on there. So we really appreciate, and I personally was very happy by the presentation that was done by Connie. It was eye-opening. I think the arrangement that you have is something we have to think about, particularly the arrangement where you have some kind of partnership between the government and the private sector, and the involvement of the farmers, small-scale farmers in the industry, so that they also get to benefit. So Connie Magomo Masaba, I had to write down your name. I really appreciate your presentation. We have a very exciting program ahead of us. I look forward to going to see the plantations and meeting farmers and peasants and see how you organize the industry here. And we are also going to look at your industry factory that also make palm oil in Uganda. So I came here again as a student. We had Nyerere, Mwinyi, Mkapa. I count myself also as a student coming to learn a little bit about palm oil industry in Tanzania. And this is a continuation of very strong and warm bilateral relationship that exists between Tanzania and Uganda. We actually signed an agreement also that we must exchange information about agricultural development between our two countries, and this is part of sharing knowledge. We're coming here to learn from what you're doing and see how much we can take back home. We know our national leaders, both of them, Her Excellency Samia Suluhu Hassan and His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. They have met and they are meeting again very soon. They are continuing to strengthen the relationship, extremely warm relationship, cordial relationship that exists between our two countries. And we are happy that we are both members of East African Community, where we work together to promote trade between our countries and to promote relationship and culture among our people for all the members of East African Community. And so, Honorable, your invitation for JPC, I will communicate with our colleagues in Tanzania so that we can have it as soon as possible. In fact, my understanding was that we were going to have it in December. We'll go and check, but I hope we'll have plenty of time for us to organize. If not December, so we can have it early in January. And I guess this is the time for us to host you in Tanzania. We'll be very happy to receive you in Dodoma maybe, or Dar es Salaam or Arusha, as the arrangement will be. I communicated also the issues of trade in relation to livestock. You wrote me a letter, but your docket is larger than mine. You are a minister of not only agriculture, but also livestock and fisheries. In a certain ways, you are my brother, elder brother in that sense. So the letter came to me, but I communicated to my colleague. They are working on it, and I think maybe we can sort out the issues during JPC. I also look forward in interactions as we meet tonight, discussing issues. We discuss a little bit about fertilizers, want to discuss issues about seed production, about agricultural research. I know you are doing wonderful here in terms of agricultural research. I look at the statistics, also the trade between Uganda and Tanzania. We import beans, for instance, from Uganda, which everybody says are very delicious. And you are happy also export rice and the other products. And we want to see, as you said correctly, we want to see the economic relationship between our two countries getting stronger and stronger. So once again, thank you so much for your hospitality, Your Excellency. We're looking forward for the visit. And we don't know about the Christmas, but certainly we'll be back very soon. But hopefully before that, I'll have an honor of receiving you and Brighton in Tanzania. Thank you so much.